South Russell, Ohio, Fire Protection Contractor License Bond. South Russell, Ohio, Fire Protection Contractor License Bond. A South Russell, Ohio Fire Protection Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install or service fire protection systems within the village. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local codes, safety standards, and licensing rules. If the contractor fails to meet these obligations, the bond provides compensation to the affected party or the municipality. Why is South Russell, Ohio Fire Protection Contractor License Bond required? This bond is required to protect the public and the village of South Russell from faulty or unsafe fire protection work. It ensures contractors comply with fire safety regulations, building codes, and professional standards. By requiring the bond, the village reduces the risk of financial loss due to non-compliance or negligence. How does South Russell, Ohio Fire Protection Contractor License Bond work? The bond involves three parties: the contractor principal, the Village of South Russell obligee, and the surety company. The contractor purchases the bond, and the surety guarantees payment if the contractor violates regulations or causes damages. If a valid claim is made, the surety may pay damages, but the contractor must reimburse the surety for any payouts. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.